Namaskar. After a brief discussion about the syllabus for paper plant ecology, from today onwards we will discuss the topic or unit number first, that is ecological factors and adaptations. In this lecture we will discuss about the unit number first, that is ecological factors and adaptations. Regarding the ecology, we will discuss the introduction about ecology. Then we will see the definition or definitions according to different scientist point of view. Then we will see the scope of ecology in different fields. Let us see the introduction about ecology. Ecology is the science of relations between organism and their environment. As we have seen that the relation between biotic and abiotic factors, that is ecology. The term ecology is a coined from Greek word that is oikology, that is oikos means home and logos means study, that is study of home is called oikology in Greek, and ecology, study of plants as they exist in their natural home or habitat. The plants, along with other living systems and the physical environment, are interacting parts of system. This particular system is called ecosystem, that म्हणजेच परिस्थितिकी. For the ecological studies, the environment does not mean only the physical environment. It includes both the living and non-living components in the surrounding. These particular components we will see in the next slide. The ecological factors are as follows. First one is the climatic or atmospheric factors. It includes rainfall, temperature, etc. Then edaphic or soil factors. They include temperature, moisture content of the soil. Then the physiographic factors, that is topography of the particular region. Then the last one, which includes biotic factors, that is presence of activities of other plants and animals, including also the man. Under normal natural condition, the growth and development of a plant or plant community is influenced by the sum total of effect of the all environmental factors, but under certain conditions even a single factor can show its effect. Now this is all about the different factors, ecological factors. Now the this particular entire topic includes the adaptations also. So we will now discuss about the, in brief, the discussion about the adaptations. The habitat or environmental factors affect the characters and composition of plants and plant communities. Such characters are helpful to exist under such environment is called the adaptations. Such structural adaptations includes hydrophytes, mesophytes and xerophytes. So we will discuss about these adaptations in detail in the further lectures. coming lectures. Now we will see the different definitions by different scientist point of view. Different scientists defined ecology according to their point of view. The ecological studies are important in relation to interaction of organisms and its surrounding environment. Science of ecology is extremely diversified. The word ecology was first proposed by Rater in 1868. Haeckel in 1869 coined this particular term ecology. He defined ecology as the body of knowledge concerning the economy of nature, the investigation of total relationship of animals to its surrounding organic, inorganic environment. Warning in 1895 considered ecology to mean study of a reciprocal relationship between living organism and their environment. Odum, a well-known scientist, in 1963, the study of structure and function of nature, he defined in this particular manner the ecology. Philipson in 1970 defined the ecology deals with relationship between living things and their physical environment together with all living organisms within. Mishra and in 1967 the study of interaction of form, function and factors. While the Krebs, a physiological scientist, in 1978 defined the ecology as scientific study of interaction that determines the distribution and abundance of organisms. In recent years, ecology is defined as the complex interaction between plants, animals and microbes with respect to their physical and biological environment. The physical environment includes light, heat or solar radiations, moisture, wind, gases in air, nutrients in soil, water and the atmosphere. Now the scope of ecology. The ecological studies have got very vast wide scope. This ecology is associated with following branches of science. In this particular picture or this diagrammatic representation, we can see that the scope of ecology in different fields. These branches they are having specific importance in ecological studies. Taylor in 1936 pointed out scope of ecology and stated that ecology is the science of all relations of all organisms to all their environments. In recent years, ecological knowledge has become essential to solve problems of varied nature in human life. Now we will see the scope of ecology in relation to other branches as we have seen in this picture. The first one is the agriculture. It is related with the cropping pattern, management of pests and diseases, agriculture engineering and other applied aspects. Ecological studies in relation to agriculture has received great attention in recent years. Then the botany. Plant ecology is basic branch which deals with the study of different plants, their nature, association in relation to surrounding environment. The plants, or especially the autotrophs, produce food for the organisms. During the process of photosynthesis, the plants grow in varied environment. Hence, plant ecological studies are most important. Then the another field, that is zoology. In animal ecology is the another important branch where the animals including human being are carried out. The study. The animals may be microscopic or macroscopic and lives in diverse environment or habitat. They are considered as heterotrophs or consumers in ecological system. These studies are very much essential for the survival of animals within the universe. Then the fourth field and very important field, that is microbiology. The microorganisms, prokaryotic forms like algae, bacteria, fungi, mycoplasma like organisms, etc. occur in diverse situations. They are considered as decomposers in nature. Their nature, occurrence, distribution and role in the surrounding is studied in microbial ecology. These particular branches, that is agriculture, botany, zoology, microbiology, are specially related to the biotic factors. Now onwards the branches will be deal with the abiotic factors. Now the chemistry, this particular branch deals with study of chemical properties of many organisms, with plant, animals, the chemical properties of soil, water and food material is studied in this chemistry. Chemical ecology is now emerged as a new branch. Then physics. The physical science is connected with study of radiations, light, temperature and other physical factors. Properties of matter. These abiotic components have profound effects on the biological organisms. Then meteorology. This particular meteorological factor like rainfall, wind, temperature, humidity, etc. play vital role or important role in the development of plants, animals and microbes. The meteorological data can give complete idea about weather and aerial environment. Then the branch, that is geology and pedology. Geology specially studies the rocks. It gives idea about geological crust of earth. Then, while the pedology refers to the study of soil and soil science. 1/3 area of earth is composed of land mass with soil. The soil is most important edaphic factor where plants grow and animals including humans live. Hence, geological and pedological studies are very much essential according to the scope of ecology. Then the mathematics and statistics. A large number of measurements in relation to the shape, size, height, weight, biomass are taken in ecological studies of plants, animals as well as the microbes. Similarly, the data on abiotic components like rainfall, temperature, humidity, wind current, light penetration, etc. is required for specific conclusions as well as interpretation of the correlations. The mathematical and statistical tools are widely used in the ecology. The experimental data is expressed as frequency, standard deviation, mean mode, and variance. These are particular different uh, experimental datas will be expressed in these particular forms. Then the toxicology. This particular branch is recently developed and associated with the ecology. This particular branch deals with the study of toxic chemicals, substances, gases, and their effects on the environment, particularly air, water, soil, as well as the plants, animals, including human being too. And finally, the economics and sociology. This, these particular branches studies very important in relation to the modern ecology. These studies are necessary for planning of human development in recent years. The research in life sciences is focused on socio-economic studies. The ecological study is mainly associated with biotic as well as abiotic components. Biotic components include different forms of the living organism, with which abiotic components include non-living factors. These non-living factors or living organisms have specific function in the nature, like plant act as a producer while animal consumers, and microorganisms as decomposers. The living organisms are placed at specific position or level in nature. Their position is fixed on the function as well as their interrelationship with other systems. Hence, plants are placed as the best producers, animals in middle consumers, herbivores, carnivores, and top carnivores. These are animals, while the microbes are placed as the top decomposers. They are seen in air as well as soil. Thus, level of organisms is fixed by the nature itself. These particular things are related to the entire scope of the ecology. This is all about the introduction about ecology. Then we have seen the different definitions of ecology from different scientists and their point of views. Then the scope of ecology in different fields. In next lecture we will see, or we will study, different ecological factors, especially the edaphic factor, how this particular soil forms. Then different climatic factors we will see in the next lecture. Till then, thank you, and thank you very much to all.